Hey everyone, my name is Tyler. This is my 1991 Isuzu Trooper. Recently purchased this thing about a month ago, and lots of big plans for it. Haven't done too much to it yet. Changed the brakes, put a new muffler on it, just trying to get it roadworthy to get it inspected. These later model years, such as the 91, come with the rectangle headlights, and originally, whenever I purchased this, it had a busted headlight. The other one was rusted out. So I tried searching for a used set of headlights. However, finding any replacement parts for this thing is nearly impossible. So I just purchased some 7-inch LED round headlights and ordered some mounts for it, mounted it in here. I ordered some ABS plastic, it's about 60 thousandths, and cut it to fit the rectangle hole, cut a circle in it. Here we go. Really simple, but it looks pretty decent. And the headlights are very bright. Look at that.
So I had to cut out a big patch of rust from factory. The fender wells are seam sealed in, and over the years water will seep through and cause lots of rust. I cut out a small piece of sheet metal about the same thickness as the flooring in the Trooper and spot welded all around it. Then I welded all of it in. This was my first time welding any sort of floor pan, and I didn't realize how easy it would burn through, so it was a learning experience. However, I think it turned out pretty decent. After I finished, I covered everything with some truck bed liner, and we're now good to go.
Pretty big plans for it. Plan on solid axle swapping it and running 35 to 37s. See how it goes. Cut the rockers out, build some sliders for it. Lots of stuff to do. Join me on my journey.